Now, I wanted to share my latest passion, but I wanted to share that I have been in love with gardening, and I find that it's so relaxing, it's so soothing, and I want to share what I have in my garden. Let's go take a look. As you can see, I have grabbed a few of these. I've clipped some of them, and on the base they kind of look like rosemary. So I'm going to stick with here, the base, and you don't want to go too far down where the wood is at. They're filled in pretty nice here, so we're going to go ahead and try to get, I don't know if I can show you, right just about right here. Quite a bit, but we've got lots of bees here right now. I'm going to share a DIY, and I've been into gardening, and I'm just trying to show you how I kind of reuse certain things, the dried flowers. And I've got some lavender here. As you can see, they've been drying for 24 hours, and I've already cut them because I did an earlier video. But what you're going to need to make these little sachets is craft store. We also have the top part here, which is the flower of the lavender plant. And I've cut some up so you can see that they're very small pieces. But I also keep the stems because the stems have a wonderful aroma. And I just cut them really small enough to be able to put them in the sachet. So today's DIY, you're going to need a dried lavender, 24-hour dried. And then we've got this little board here, which is a cutting board, one of those flexible, I guess I'm going to use the word pliable, flexible type of cutting board. Kitchen scissors. Then I've just kind of used this cutting board here just to set my supplies. And it's super, super simple. A caution would be is if you have pets, cats, just make sure that it's not going to be toxic to any one of your pets, because if you do this inside, it is going to be very messy. It's going to get on the floor, and you want to just make sure that it's not going to be toxic. Your animals are not going to be eating it and getting sick. So yeah, make sure that the flowers you're using, you can also use roses. I'll first start by cutting these stems and flowers. So I just grab it with one hand. I'm filming this, so it's going to be a little hard, but what you want is about that size. Okay, so you can see they're nicely cut up, and so I'm going to add them into the little sachet. They smell so good. The fragrance is just unbelievable, and it's very relaxing, so you may want to have one close to your bed, your nightstand. So there you have it. And I've put one on the front door knob. Sachets here in the guest bathroom on the towel rack, so it'll give it a nice little smell here in the bathroom.